Sam. I'm the greenhouse manager here at Farm Tech in Dyersville. We're standing in our aquaponic facility here. This is a 35 by 48 greenhouse. So we have one pump at the south end of our system, and it feeds up to these, where these red valves are here, to our standpipes to refresh the water. You want about the water to exchange about once every hour through the system. A constant water flow through the system is essential for healthy fish and healthy plants. Along with the water flow, we also pump air into our system to keep the dissolved oxygen level up in the water. That's another key parameter that you need to measure when growing aquaponically. From our stock tanks then, it's all gravity fed. The water flows down through the bottom of our stock tanks, and then the next series goes into what we call our biofiltration. Down inside this tank, we basically have, it's crammed full of bird netting. And that bird netting provides a high surface area for our good bacteria to colonize. There's good bacteria at work in this system, and that changes the ammonia that the fish produce into usable form for the plants. This bacteria that's at work in here changes the ammonia first into nitrite, and then in the second stage here, it changes it into nitrate. And then the plants utilize that form of nitrogen. It's a whole symbiotic relationship between the plants and the fish, where the plants also serve as part of the biofiltration process. And there's good bacteria living all throughout the system, under the float raft, and those roots also help filter the water out for you. From our biofiltration, the water then passes into a tank that is called your mineralization or your nitrification tank. Basically, this is just super aerated water, and that helps with the aerobic bacteria to convert the waste material into usable form for the fish. So it's a real simple system. There's just one pump, and then we let gravity do the rest of the work for us. And then, of course, like I mentioned, the air. Call us today so we can talk to you about getting set up and growing aquaponically. It's a real neat way to grow.